Come. Come.
It's so dark. You're riding in the dark. You're silly. You can't go around there. There's no room. Go back to mommy. I can just see your belly. Here, come under daddy. Go under. Trying to corral a kid. Go under daddy. Go under daddy. Silly.
Which one, mommy or daddy?
Mommy, keep going that way. Go get the mommy. Yeah, come under daddy. What is going on? Weirdest vlog ever. Adam. Adam. Okay. Why are we up so late? Riding around.
He's always working late.
Yep. You locked the car. You having so much fun? Yep. So we're down here by my work. Kelly came to get the car. Watch your head. Oof, that was close. And yeah, she came earlier to get the car, ate dinner with me.
We took the bus all the way here. It was very tiring.
Yeah.
Yeah, we took the bus all the way down and stole the car. And that means we had to come pick him up.
Yep. And when they when we came to pick us up. Yeah. Yep. Adam was so full of energy. And then this was in the car. Be careful, don't go down the stairs. You have to get off. Get off. Oh. Oh, okay.
There you go.
Didn't understand that. You're silly. Yeah. So Adam was so full of energy that, yeah, didn't want him to fight. Because he took a nap after dinner. He fell back asleep, and, well, Kelly was driving home. And so...
You want Daddy to come down?
You want me...
But he's still ready for bed.
Yes, now he's tired. So I think it's time to go back to the car. Do you want Daddy to come down? Yeah, so we'll see. It's an exciting night. Yeah, lots of overtime. Trying to get stuff done. It's so frustrating. When I stay late at work, things seem to be going slower and slower on the network, so I don't seem to get very much done. But yeah, I get a little bit done, so. And this way I get to spend time with my family when they come to pick me up. This is only the second time you've come to pick me up. Oh, sorry. request. Yeah, not a problem. Okay. Say goodbye.
There's another ramp over here. That one's metal too. We're interrupting a performance.
Right over here.
Here. Choo choo choo. I know.
No. Okay.
Yep, let's just go. Okay, say bye, camera.
Bye-bye.